I can say this video is about PHP MySQL database system, and most of the websites use MySQL for data storage. And by using PHP, you can connect to your database, fetch or insert data to your database, and giving the user privilege to access to post whatever they want into the database and displaying using PHP. Okay, and what is MySQL? MySQL is a database system used on web. Yeah, MySQL is a database system that runs on the server, and MySQL is ideal for both small and large applications. Yeah, example, by the way, most of the websites and applications use database to store user data and enable user to access their data in the database. And it's very fast, reliable, and easy to use. Yeah. Okay, in database we use queries to insert, to fetch, to create tables, to create the database, to delete, to update. Yeah, but okay, query is a question or a request. Okay, if you want to insert a data from a form, the data will be submitted to the PHP file. Then you get the content that you want to post. Then you use a query, PHP query, like for example, just a minute. When I want to select a data from a database, I will just use select from, if my database is called like data one, I'll select distance for selecting all the row in the database one, all the table row in the database one. Okay, by using query like for procedure, you can use MySQLi query and all. Just showing you an example, then like that. So when you use this query, you select all the data from the database. Then I'll just giving you an example of a query. Okay, let me not talk much and go to the coding. Okay, and we are here. I'm using my editor is Sublime Text, and remember, the first thing you should have is the exam setup. And if you don't have the exam setup, the link will be in my video's description. And after downloading the exam and installing it, you just start the Apache and the MySQL file, and you can either close or minimize. It will still be on here. Okay, and also remember, all your project that you're doing should be inside your exam folder, but I've renamed mine as project. Open, and inside the hdocs, and my project is inside. I'll do my project, I'll save them inside this folder, web code series. So after that, you open your editor. If you're using Sublime, you just open folder, and you go to where you want to import your folder. Okay, hdocs. then my web code series, and I select, let me close this one. Okay, let's open a new file, and these I'll show you how to connect to your example localhost. And your PHP admin, where your database is, or where you'll create your database and table, looks like this. Just type in localhost PHP MyAdmin, and it will open a page like this. So first of all, I'll connect localhost. Then after connecting, I'll show you how to create your database. After creating your database, I'll show you how to create a table in your database. Okay, let us begin. I'll open a new file, then save it as just a minute. Okay, I'll save it as connect.php because you're connecting to the localhost. Okay, I'll type in PHP, and you can either connect direct, or you can create a variable that holds the connection, like on. First of all, let us define the localhost, the username, and the password. Okay, don't be worried about the password, because when you install and start your Apache, then you type in localhost PHP MyAdmin. The default username is always your root, and the default password is, it doesn't have a password, so it's just blank. Okay, you can either use define, or you can create your variable. Okay, my variable localhost, which is equals to username, which is root, password, which is blank. Okay, I don't know if I teach you guys both procedural and object oriented, or just do them one by one. Okay, I'll do them one by one. One video I'll show you one video to connect to using PDO procedural, and another video to show you how to connect using object oriented. I don't want to confuse you guys. Okay, using MySQL procedural, we'll just type in MySQLi connect. I want to connect to the server, to the localhost. Then you type in your variables, localhost, then username, then password. Then after that, you can just type if not on echo error, nothing, else So connected successfully. Let us give it a try. Okay, if you want to open file inside your hdocs, you just type in local host, then my folder is web code. Name of my folder is web code. Web code series. No, sorry. Localhost web app code series slash index, not index, or use the name connect PHP. Okay, got an error on line 10. Line 10, okay, I forgot this. Okay, still got an error. Save. Okay, connected successfully, and that's how you connect to your network. Connected successfully. So that's how you connect using MySQL procedural. Okay, then the next thing I'll show you how to create database in your localhost MySQL localhost. Okay, I'll just create a variable called create MySQL query. As you can see, we've used query here. Query, you can use it to create database, create table, select, delete, update. You'll just see them when I'm walking you through these MySQL and PHP data system. Okay, then on then just type in create database. Name of our database, let's call it work. That. After that, you can create an if statement. This time we just use this one. Supposed to true. Echo database created. And database is created. Let us confirm by refreshing. And here it is, but still it doesn't have a table. The next tutorial will be about creating a table, but okay, the next tutorial will be about using MySQL object oriented to create a table and to connect to your data to your localhost. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to get more notifications of my videos that I'm going to upload to this PHP plus MySQL series. Thank you.